Hi everyone, it's me Lucy. It's been a long time since I have posted anything on my page, and that's because I've actually been on a very deep inner transformation journey of the past many months. And now I feel like it's time for me to finally come out of the so-called spiritual closet and let everyone know the true new gifts that I have remembered. So before July, I didn't even know I can do this. And then thanks to my soul family support, you know who you are, I've managed to start remembering that what I really am is, as the Queen of Sound Medicine, my body is a vessel where it can transmute the divine energy, whether it's energy coming from the sun, the moon, the universe, the flowers, anything and everything the universe is trying to share their feelings for you. My body is acting like a vessel where I can so-called channel the emotions, and then I turn it into these sonic sound medicine songs where it can literally transform and change your state within seconds, so you feel blissed, love, peace, or even deep letting go of anything that doesn't serve you anymore. I know it sounds crazy. For months I thought I was going crazy. And I was really afraid to share what was going on, but the calling has become louder and louder, and I'm finally ready to come out and share my gift today. So if you're still watching this, thank you so much, and I'm so excited to share with you my very new sonic sound healing portal that has been launched. And over there's all these raw transmissions of all these divine downloaded songs that you can listen to, and there's a 3-day free trial, so go try it out and see if you like it. Right now, this is the feeling of a song that I have for you now. Blessings for you. Thank you. And if you enjoyed this, go check out my portal. This is not a performance. This was a transmission channeling that I received while doing this video for you. See ya!